Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make protein cookies, but first thing first, we're gonna wash your hands. Bye bye. We're gonna make protein cookies. Today we're gonna make coconut sugar. And peanut butter. And a bowl and some vanilla protein. I made 1 cup of peanut butter. This, like this, it's gonna fall out in a second, but you need it to drip. Drip, hurry up. Okay, I just gotta do this. Get some in there. Then let's scoop it. Swirl like a swirl. It's rolling, look. Next, we're gonna make 2/3 cups of coconut sugar. There's your hand. I'm gonna hold it like this, but that fell out. Now we're gonna put 2 scoops of vanilla protein. I got it. Ready? We're gonna crack the eggs into it. I cracked it. Now the fingers in there. It's gonna make it and you make it. It's cracked. I love it's cracked. Whisk it all together. It's like everywhere. It's like doing everything. I don't know why. Because it's all done. Oh, can I lick it? Next, we're gonna make a teaspoon and put it on the cookie sheet. Let's do this. In the oven. Let's go. Oven 350. Put paint and part. They're done. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my channel. Give a big thumbs up and turn on your bell.